Cabbage with egg in sandwich bun. Shoutout po sa lahat guys. And by the way, this been a vlog. Thanks for dropping by. So nag-crave kami guys kasi walang litos. Litos may ang pinaka-importante but no choice. So cabbage na lang ilagay namin. So nagsama-sama kami mga buwag utok. Ay, sorry pala. Shoutout po sa lahat. Thanks for dropping by. And Ramadan Kareem guys. So break time namin na 2 oras at 2.5. So, egg, mayonnaise, etc. Tomatoes, cucumber, ayan. Cabbage, walang litos, mga gago, mga muklo, ayan, pag-isipan na unexpected. So, shout out po sa lahat. Thanks for dropping guys and have a nice day. It's me, it's Vinny Vlog. Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Have a nice day and blissful day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na. Kakain na kami. Muah, 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 muah.